Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today, I know this isn't going to be a very exciting subject, but we're going to talk about how to make wing cradles for a Grumman set of wings. Now, these cradles will hold both wings and the tail section from a cheetah or a tiger. So once you get them off the airplane, you don't have to set them on sawhorses. You've got them in these cradles, and by having one on either in the wing, you can move it anywhere around in the hangar, up against the wall, back to the airplane, whatever you need. So stay tuned while we have some more fun telling you how we built these wing cradles. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. The wing cradles themselves are not hard to build. We started with a Harbor Freight moving dolly ramp. They're about 18 inches by about 27 inches, and there's an opening in the center. And the first thing we did was we filled that center in, the open spot, with a piece of plywood. Now, we had some 3/4 inch plywood around from some cabinet builds, and that's why we have all the little corner pieces for bracing. But what we basically did was, once we had the bottom down, we took some 2x6 lumber, and that becomes our standing supports. We anchored them in with drywall screws into the plywood and a little bit of glue, Tight Bond exterior 3 glue, so it's waterproof. And then we swung carpet, sections of carpet side towards the paint on the cradles. That way we could slide the wings in and the tail section in and hold everything together. They're not hard to build. Most people will find they never need a set, but if you do, they're not hard to build. They didn't cost very much. It was scrap wood and some scrap carpet, but they do hold everything very nicely together. We have another set of cradles when we have to transport an airplane. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you ever need to build a set of wing cradles, here's an idea: some triangular pieces, some wood screws, and some glue, and some dollies, and away you go. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.